Hi everyone, it's Colleen from Kokana. I am about to go on vacation and I'm super excited. My daughter and I are heading up to my hometown of Thunder Bay, which is not the most exotic place, but it's my hometown and I'm getting to see my sister and some old friends, and it will just be nice to get away and relax. So in thinking about getting on an airplane, my daughter and I decided we just wanted to travel with a carry-on. And there's a few reasons for that. One is we don't want to have to wait for our luggage. Two, we don't want to risk losing our luggage. And three, which is the most important, I don't want to pay that extra $50 charge to check a bag. So voila, carry on. And when I was thinking about what I would like to wear while I'm away and what will fit in my carry-on, I came up with my travel capsule wardrobe, and I thought I would share it with you today. So the first thing to consider is what you're going to wear on the airplane. And we are leaving basically in the middle of the night at 3:30 a.m. So I know it'll be a little cool at that time of night, so I'm going to start with my Maxine bamboo tank, which is reversible with a V on one side and a round neck on the other. I'm going to add my charcoal gray pants, and this is a style I don't do anymore, it's the Jen, but I do have a new style coming out, the Joy, which is very similar. It's the same pretty much leg and width, same wide waistband. The only difference is it has side panels down both legs, and that's where the pocket is, so it's handy for your phone or credit cards or whatever else you need right there. And those are available for pre-order on my website right now, and they come in the charcoal gray, black, and navy, and 3 different lengths: petite, regular, and tall. And with those 2 pieces, I'm going to throw on this new cardi robe. This is a sample right now, but it is in production and will be ready around the beginning of September. And I really love this piece. Let me show you. So I will throw it on over my pants and top. Oops. And it has a tie belt, so I can tie it up like this. And then it has big front pockets, which we all love pockets. It's got the long sleeves, so I can wear it like this, so it looks more like a robe. I can even wear it as a robe over my pajamas while I'm away. It also doubles as a beach cover-up if you're going swimming. You can leave it open like this as well. We'll just tie the belt up in the back and leave it hanging open like this. And I also like to take the belt off completely and wear it like that. And I think it's a little more elegant looking, looks great over a dress or a skirt. So that's the cardi robe. We'll put it up on my website soon for pre-order. It will come in black, fuchsia, and the silky blue color. So I'm also bringing a little black dress, because you always need a little black dress. And I mean, it can go anywhere. You can wear it out shopping, sightseeing, and then out to dinner. This one again has the reversibility with the V-neck and the round neck, and it has the invisible side seam pockets. Then I'm bringing just a pair of beige cotton pants and adding in another tank top, this time in black. I'm also bringing a pair of capri jeans just to kick around in. And then my new raspberry Pamela hoodie. This is great for this time of year. It's a lightweight bamboo jersey. It's got the big kangaroo pocket in front, long sleeves, the hood on the back, and a shawl neckline. So it's a lot of fun to wear. I can layer it. I can put the tank tops underneath it. I can wear it on its own, or I could layer it under the cardi robe. And then I'm bringing these fun pair of shorts, which go nicely with the hoodie. And because you never know about the weather, I'm bringing this little rain jacket, lightweight rain jacket. So those are the pieces I'll be wearing. As for footwear, and I almost forgot, I'm also going to bring this outfit too that I have on right now. So again, this is the Maxine, but with 3/4 sleeves this time. As you can see, I've got the V on in the back, the round neck in the front, and I'm also bringing these fun wide leg pants that I have in my closet. So for footwear, my Vionics, because they're so comfy for walking. So those are my casual shoes. And then I'm also going to bring these sandals, these slingback sandals. They have a little heel. They are super comfy. They're walking cradles. And I got these from Mansfield Shoes in Manotick. And they're so versatile because I can wear them with the shorts, the jeans, pants, or the dress. So altogether, I think I have, let's see, 12 pieces that will easily fit in my carry-on. Of the 12 pieces, there is 7 are Kokana bamboo pieces, and the other 5 are things I have already hanging in my closet. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope it helps if you're heading out on your own trip. And if you are, I wish you a wonderful vacation, and I will see you when I get back. Bye for now.